Hey, what's going on? Bill DeWeese here, pro voiceover talent and voiceover career coach. And before we get into today's topic, just a quick shout out, vowebsites.com, vowebsites.com, and my good friend Jeff Bianchi. It's where you can go to get a professionally designed website, not only the creation of it, but the hosting of it, the care and feeding of your website, which I've done this for a long time. That is just, if not more important than anything else, making sure you've got a great web person who will take care and guard your website and keep everything updated and running so that when clients go there or prospects go there to listen to your demos, everything is A-OK. And when you go to vowebsites.com, you're going to get you're going to get the DeWeese discount, half off the cost of your website. So check it out now, vowebsites.com. So let me ask you a question. Have you ever faced one of these two scenarios? One, a client or prospective client sends you a script with direction, but the direction is so convoluted. There are so many competing adjectives and keywords used and conflicting bits of direction that you have no idea what you should do. And even if you were to attempt to do everything they said, it would just be, you have to be a voice contortionist to pull it off. That's one scenario. The other scenario is you've recorded for a client following all the direction that they've given you to the best of your ability, and they come back to you and say, no, that's not it. We want you to be more like this, that, or the other. Now, understanding what one word, let's say an adjective such as friendly or authoritative, or high energy, what that means to one person, the way one person hears that can be totally different than the way another person hears it or thinks of that. So sometimes getting on the same page can be difficult. So you've been here before, right? I'm sure you've been in one of these, if not both of these scenarios before. So what do you do? Because without a doubt, it's one of the most frustrating experiences as a voiceover talent. Here's a little trick. And I think if you use this, it will help you to navigate these choppy waters. And that is when a client comes to you with a lot of conflicting and confusing direction, or they come back to you after you've done your best to give them what they want, and they say, no, this is not it. Simply ask them the question, what did you hear on my demo that you liked? Or what did you hear on my demo that caused you to contact me to do this project? Because they heard something. They did not come to you out of the blue. It was because of an audition that you did or because they heard your demos. Typically, it starts with a demo. And if you ask them to point specifically at what they liked on your demo, or the read they heard that you think matches best what they want for this project, that will give you a common point of reference, because using words oftentimes is not enough. But if they point to the audio, now we're speaking the same language. You're hearing what they're hearing. And so if they say, I like this, and it's on your demo or on an audition, then you can go back and you can reproduce that. Otherwise, again, the communication, and I'm not talking about speaking with somebody who doesn't speak your native language. I'm talking about just working with clients in general. It can be sometimes you feel like you're dealing with somebody who speaks a different language because, again, the way they hear, the way they process, the way they interpret may be completely different than you. But again, the demo gives you that common ground. So the next time somebody says, or again, gives you a lot of different conflicting and confusing direction, or they say, no, this is not it, do it like this, simply say, what on my demo or what on my audition, tell me exactly what you liked so that I can go back and listen and then more closely match this read to what it is that drew you to me in the first place. And if you do that, it's going to make your life so much easier as a voice talent, number one. Number two, you will better satisfy and more quickly satisfy the needs of your prospects and clients, which will endear you to them and help you to create repeat business, which will make you a more profitable voiceover talent. Hey, thanks so much for checking out the video. I appreciate it. Make sure that you like, subscribe, share, and I look forward to talking to you again very soon.